10011 Perceval. I think we need to touch up that stucco around the windows and also the wood frame. Definitely a landscape cleanup, but we did that at all the properties. Love the screen door. There's like discoloration in the stucco. I'm not sure if it's worth painting. We pretty much never do, but just wanted to point that out. Okay, so the wall color is peachy. It's pretty peach. 3, 4, 5. So far I see 5 windows downstairs that need the correct 2.5-inch forward blinds. I couldn't get these lights on. I'm not sure why they did not come on, but most of these light bulbs need to be replaced. These cabinets look okay. The laminate needs to be replaced. A little dirty, but overall they may be okay. Yeah. It's great that we have a beautiful stamped concrete patio with fake grass. Probably junk those statues. The side of the house gets some afternoon and evening sun. Looks like there's some roller shades there. Looks like these may be misters that they have rigged up here. So I would say a small junking quote. Assume new vertical blinds as well. They're bent in some places. They actually look okay, but just in case. That's an interesting new fixture. Looks like there's been some water damage here. It may be fixed, I don't know. If we get it under contract, then we will expect that to be disclosed in the SRPD, and we can have the inspector pay closer attention. Well, at least that light works. Replace those light bulbs. Okay. Oh, there's a car there. Huh. Okay. We have a Craftsman garage door. Carpet looks okay so far. So 1 window, 2 windows, 3 windows, 4, 5, 6. What is this room? This is a loft. I don't know if this wall was originally here. Huh. This needs to be replaced with tile. And also we need to get that all cleaned up. So 8 blinds upstairs, I believe, unless I lost count. The hardware doesn't all match. I believe we're at 9 blinds, different door handle. Okay. 10, 11, 12. It's a blue sky. And I don't know why those are hanging. We need tile in here as well. Need a blind there. And these don't match. So I think we need all new interior door handles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 upstairs. We want them all to match.